Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the operation on the large numbers. Operation on the large number. You know about the large numbers. Firstly, we discuss about the what is the numbers. Numbers. You have seen the what is the numbers and how can we place put the numbers in the place value chart. How can we write a number name according to the Indian place value chart and also according to the international place value chart. In the previous section, you have learned about that. In this chapters, we have we will discuss about the operation on large numbers. What is the operation of the large number? There are uh, there, uh, there are four basic there are the four basic operational numbers. This is the plus. You know about the plus, plus, and minus, multiplication, and division. You know about that plus, minus, and division. In these chapters, we will firstly we discussed about the what is the addition. This is what is the additions. The sum of any two numbers other than zero. The sum of any two numbers other than zero is greater either of them. Greater either of them means if uh, greater of either of them, this is the numbers. First is the number first number. This is the second numbers. When we add them, this is the addition. But this is the sum of these numbers. This sum of the numbers is greater than each of them. Greater of each of them, these numbers 49 lakh is greater than the 34 lakhs and 49 also greater than the 14 lakhs. And now the symbol of addition is plus. This is the symbol of plus. And now according to these rules, addend 1 plus addend 2 is equal to sum. When you add first number to the second numbers, we get the sum of the first and second number. It is not only for the only two attendant. We can also use addend 1 plus addend 2 plus dot and we get the sum. It means we can add the many numbers, not only the two. We can also add the infinite number of numbers and we also get the sum. From this additions, you have already know in the previous classes. 6 plus 3, firstly we add the number 6 and 3. uh, 6 and 3, 6 is one place and 3 is also in the one place. Then we add ones place to the ones place, and now 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Now here we see that we get the 12. We get the 12 and we get the 12, and this we write the only 2. We write only 2. We write only 2 here. We write only 2, and now here I add 2. Now we add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, we get 8 plus 7 is equal to, yani 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. And now this 15 also, when then we add this one also. Then we add this one here also. And now how can we write here also? And this is, and now 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. And now 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. And now this 16 and 6 from this 16 taken from it and write here, and write here, not here, right here. Yes, and this 16 is right here 6. And now we have 1 is taken here from these numbers here. 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15, and now once again 15. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and now 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Now we add. There is also 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus is 15. 9 plus 5 and 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 we get 14. And now once again this one is add here. This one is add here. And now we can we get 15. And now this 5 is written here. And this 5 is written here also here. In this way we can proceed the same way and we find the sum of this number. We have also know in the previous classes in the class 4. Now then we go to the next slide. Next slide is here chapter. Here is the next slide, additions. Now we try to solve the some questions related to the operation on the large numbers. This is the exercise 6 and the name of the book is the Composite Mathematics. What is the name of the book? Name of book. Name of book. Now here is the but we discussed only about here exercise 6 question number 5. Add. This is the numbers 4 3 2. What is the number name? Ones, tens, hundred. When we put the commas here, we can put the comma here. And now 3 2 6 and 4. And now add them. Now we add them here is also we get the say 4 7 4. We get the here right answer here. And now when we add them we write the answer is here. Now we write them here, we write the answer is here. And what is the answer of this questions here? What is the answer of this? This is the question number 5. Question number 5. Answer is here 5 0 3 7 9 8 9 8 7 5. When we add them 4 4 8 7 5 15, then we get a answer 5 0 3 7 9 8 7 5. This is the answer of these numbers. And now if we take the examples, question number 11, find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. This is right in the horizontal way. This number first number is here, second number is here, third number is there. Then firstly we put these numbers in column 1 3 2 5 7 6 9 8. This is the first numbers and write the numbers. Ones place, 8 is the ones place, and here 4 is the also one place. Then we write the this number placed 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 below the ones places. And here is the 9 is the one places of the another numbers. Then we put here 9 9 below the ones places. And similarly we write the 10 places numbers and write the 100 places number of all the three numbers, and 1000 places, 10,000 places. But in first numbers we get the 10,000 places and 9 in the third number place. And here is the lakh, 3 lakhs and the first numbers, and the second is the lakh. But in second numbers there is no 10 lakh positions numbers, so we write here 13 1. Now when we add we get the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and the crore. 2 crore 2 lakh 56,341. This is the position of crore, and this is the position of 10 lakh. This is the position of lakh. This is the position of 10,000. And this is position of, what is the place value? Place numbers is 1000, 100, ones and tens. Now when you go to the next slide. And now chapter 4, operation on the large number. The operation on the large number we have only discussed about here additions. Now this is problem related to the additions. And first is the word problem. Question number 1, exercise 7. The number of person who visited the holy sharing of Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years was these numbers and these numbers respectively. How many person visited the sharing during these 2 years? How many person? How can we solve the solutions? How can we solve it? We solve the word problem right here. Word. Write the statement. Firstly, the number of person who visited the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi during last year is equal to 6378907 and 63 lakh 78,907. And the next year persons goes 78 lakh 65,089. And according to this question, how many persons visited the Sharia during this 2 year? And the total number of the person who visited in 2 years. So total numbers of a person, that is the first persons, the number of persons visited the sharing during these 2 years. When we add them, when we get the answers by adding them, 637 this number and this number, this is the addition, that means we get the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. 1 crore 42 lakh 43,996. In this way we can find the solution of question number 1. Now question number 4 of this exercise 7. In a particular year, the male populations. What is the male population of a city was 23 lakh 59,324, more than the female population. It means male population is more than this numbers. This numbers, what is this numbers? This is the female populations. According to these questions, since the female population of city is equal to itna, then the male population of the city is more than this number to this numbers. Then we add them, we get the 91 lakh 72,999. This is the one answer. The number of female was was the male population. This is the male population. Now another questions. What was the total population of the city during the year? Uh, Total population of the city is equal to this plus this is equal to this. When we add the male populations, here is the male population. Which type of this population? Here is male. Here is male populations. And now this is female population. This is female population. We write here. If you write the male populations here, which type of this population? This is male population, and this is population is a female. When we add male and female populations, we get this is the female and this is the male population. And now we get the when we add male and female population, we get the 1 crore 59 lakh 86,674. This is the total population of the male and female. Now next question is question number 9. This is the another type of the questions. According to the question, this is the solutions. And what is the question here? A number exceeds this by this. What is the number? This exceed means greater. That means required number. When we add this number to this number, we get the exceed numbers. And now this number, when we add them, 4 plus 6 plus 10 when carry, and when carry goes to the 10 places, and 4 plus 5 9, and this carries numbers added to them, we get the 10, we get the 0, and also we get the 1, and 8 plus 1 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 0 8 plus 1 9, and 1 is carries from to this, there is get the 12. 10 and 7 for 11, or 1 also 12. And this way we can solve this questions also. And now this is the exercise 7, chapter number 4, operation of the large numbers. We have discussed, we have solved this question here. Question number 1, question number 4, and question number 9 also. Then thank you. Solve these questions also. Now go. Thank you. Bye.